Welcome to Politricks Watch. This is Therapy. Now, today I'm going to talk about two things. I talk about a video I get. A brother walk out in the streets, fire some shot in the sky. 762. Now I got to play the video. Hopefully you walk and shoot it down. If not, then we'll know it's our Patreon have it. So, I'm going to play the video clip. People are sending me the video. And let me just say this. Now for the people who want to send video like this to me, I can tell some phone highly acidic. And nobody feel say, sure you might hit the subscribe button. Or you might follow me on IG. No phone highly acidic and it's very visible to me. Very visible. Because when I see things like this, it's sweet to know. It come like rice and peas. Come like curry goat with enough pepper, it's sweet to know. When you send it to me, I can, even though I can't see on the face, I can see the glee on the face, it's sweet to know. Anyone who come from going back. Because no phone come from, various platforms, various other parts of YouTube. But I know only things say me that get cancelled like no work. So now, can't beat them, join them. So now try running, we're not the same. We don't think the same. Distance yourself from the PIA. Hit the dislike button and run along. Hope I make myself clear. Because when Jamaicans see this, them supposed to see that and shake them head. Type of people who me I talk to, when them see man walk out on the streets and fire off AK, them supposed to kiss them teeth. That's what kind of joke thing this at one night country. Man get excited like say, a one girl now and body rider them see. Where my corner come from?
Buckle here, God. I don't know your pussy clock, God. Buckle here, God. I don't know your pussy clock, God.
Citizens of Jamaica. If Jamaica wasn't a serious country, any other serious country try that. They would have shut down a 12-mile radius and anywhere they didn't find him. Nobody now sleep within a 12-block radius until that rifle come off the street. But in Jamaica, that's called Wednesday. For some countries, that right there would be headline news for days. In Jamaica, that's called Wednesday evening. That's sure you say, them know there's nothing harm to them and nothing come out of it. To the point that man a fire thing, illegal rifle, 762. 762. That right there so is one of the most lethal weapons mankind ever come up with. In Jamaica, man just have them lock off. To the point where they're so idle, man just fire them in the streets and I make man record it. The fact about make man record it, show you say they're 100% certain say a joke thing. Jamaica is a joke. They think the security forces a joke and them think the government a joke. Tell them the 87s are like Pitney. Them do what they can get away with. Pitney do what you allow them to. Pitney feel you out. Pitney goes so alright, let me try a little bit here. Then this little bit here. Then alright, try a little more. Try a little more. Next thing you know, Pitney gone a man yard. I tell you say they soon come back. Or they not come back. So 87 stay. Alright, try a little bit. Try a little bit. I'm lock off the 9 pan the corner. Squeeze out the 9 couple times. Alright then but now I'm at the 45. Squeeze out the 45 couple times. Nothing come out of it. Alright, bring the rifle come. What kind of circus is this? Whatever nation where man thinks that this is normal and acceptable. Complete joke. Next thing I want to talk about. It has dawned on me lately. Couple days now this step on my mind. I'm finally formulate my thoughts and now I'm ready to put this to the people then. You know what I realize? Your favorite leaders are no different from little YouTubers. I tell you what I mean. I was listening to the security minister give a speech on crime in Jamaica. He was talking about, and the circumstances and the youth from this community and the condition. Let me tell you about your favorite leaders and why I must tell you YouTubers. YouTubers, such as myself, little YouTubers like that, do social commentary. Something happen, I'll talk about it. We say that not right, that should not happen. We should fix this, we should fix that. That's YouTubers. That's radio personalities. That's journalists. That's the man on Zip FM and IRA FM and that's the people. Talk about issues. Look at YouTubers like me. When I'm not bad-minding scammers and fighting against artists, I'm talking about issues. Social commentary. Talking about issues. Hoping that who have the power can hear and act on it. When me hear politicians, I do the same thing. I'm now asking myself, what is the point? Because you sound just like a YouTuber. We don't care that you can talk about the issues. That's what YouTubers do. You are elected to fix the issues. So when you talk, you should be talking about the method where you bring in, either it's failing or it's not working, so you're going to bring in something else to try to fix it, because that we want here. We don't want anyone to talk about. Notice Jamaican leaders. The man them where anytime you ask a Jamaican about his favourite leader, the one them where they love, ask them why they love him. You hear the next words come out of their mouth is him say. One night with me. Jamaicans, you are my brother. Tell me so lie me tell. When they ask them about this man and that man, the next thing them say, the next thing the people them say is, well, I like him because him say also is a YouTuber. You are in love with a YouTuber. I could swear it was 63 MPs in the host apartment. I don't know if that's 63 YouTubers. When I tell me about what man say, yo, my ears say them. Who cares what them say? YouTubers and disc jockeys and CVM and TVJ say and talk about things. You are elected to do. So if you're not going to tell me about your favorite leaders, tell me what them do. But him say. So he's a YouTuber. Where's his channel? Send me his channel, you can subscribe. Subscribe, like and share. That's a YouTuber, that's not no leader. Leaders get things done. Leaders at least try it and fail or so. But no, it's what about say. Simon say. What is the point of standing up in a hot sun for vote for man to tell you things that are obvious? For man come tell you say you're poor. Well, thank you very much, Captain Obvious. For man come tell you say crime bad. Thank you very much, Captain Obvious. For man come tell you say Jamaica's schools them are underperforming. Thank you very much, Captain Obvious. Do you want to come join this channel? You can take Simon's spot, because Simon go become chairman of Vulture Squad. So you can get Simon's spot and you can make YouTube videos too and talk about issues. That's what you want to do, right? You want to talk about issues. And you certainly ain't fixing them. People don't elect you for talk and hear what you have to say. You're elected for do. Oh, that makes sense. Jamaicans worship people who can't even do them job. Yeah, him say him love the poor and him talk about how much people in Jamaica poor. That's what YouTubers do. Man is a YouTuber. Your favorite leader is a YouTuber. Give that man a channel. Give that woman a channel. And subscribe. Imagine going into a doctor office with your foot broke. And when you go in there, the doctor will look on you and tell you, say, well, sir, it's a shame your foot broke, you know. And I'm really sorry that your foot broke. It's very unfortunate your foot broke. And if you look right there, sir, it just say your foot broke. And you say, alright, doc, what got me next? And him say, nothing. He said, doc, fix the foot now, doc. No, I'm just tell you say your foot broke. Well, thank you very much, Captain Obvious. You did 15 years of medical school for tell people say their foot broke. Thank you very much, Captain Obvious. I didn't need you for that. If you're going to just talk about my broke foot, what purpose you serve? I come here for you fix my foot. Fix my foot. You know, fix my foot, you're going to tell me my foot broke. Thank you very much, Captain Obvious. I just see my way to the door. You are pay a contractor and pay a mason man and pay a carpenter. You stand up on your land, you tell you say you need a house on it. The man then can't mix malta. The man then can't move one piece of board. The man then can't run one piece of wire and you pay them. It's not right that the land now, you know someone else to the right or so? But you pay them. Thank you very much, Captain Obvious. So your favorite leaders are YouTubers. Every time I hear them, they tell me about the issues. That's what YouTubers do, talk about issues. That's what radio personalities do. Talk about issues. You are not elected to talk about issues. You are elected to fix issues. And if you can't fix issues, right, or if you can't fix an issue, it boils down to either you can do it or you don't want to do it. That it come down to, you know. Much Captain Obvious about the place. This is how you know Jamaican leaders get this thing to a joke. Jamaican leaders complain that the laws are outdated even though they are the same people who have the power to change laws. Let me repeat that one more time. For sure, you say the man them a YouTuber and radio personality and TV host. Jamaican leaders complain that laws are outdated even though they have the power to change laws. That makes sense to you? Does that make any sense to you? The man them sound like YouTubers. Just like you hear me a complain say the laws are outdated. Why on earth are Jamaican politicians also complaining that the laws are outdated when they can change the laws? It's been almost 60 years. Well, it is 60 years. 2022. Anniversary will come up now. A man still talk about change laws. The people them who literally make the laws. Boy, the laws them outdated and now you can't change them. Man a YouTuber. Get that man a channel. Get that woman a channel. Like, subscribe and share. Man a talk about issues. That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense at all. YouTubers, radio personality, TV hosts talk about the fact that laws not change, and then politicians change laws. When I finna get my point. Maybe that makes sense to you. Maybe electing somebody to talk about issue makes sense to you. Maybe electing somebody to tell you the obvious that you're poor and that crime high and that education standard not high enough and that the GDP and the GNI and all that been mediocre. Maybe that makes sense to you, but it don't make sense to me. Can my car go mechanic? Me know when the man just talk, John, no dog, the car broke down. Alright, now here's the invoice, $15,000 plus GCT. But all they do is tell me say the car broke down. Me come if you fix the car. Thank you very much, Captain Obvious. Me can see the car broke down. Me come to you as a mechanic, right? Because me want you fix the car. If you can't do it, I don't want to do it. That tell me say my car broke down like me not make sense. And it's not right that your car is broken down. And if you come back to me as a mechanic, I'll make sure that your car, right, will drive even though me not ever done fix it. And I will tell you next time that this car right here, it's a shame and it's not fair, it's not right, it's injustice because this car hasn't been moving. I didn't think down the fall final. That's what the Jamaican people fall for. Complete foolishness. Man, I'm a YouTuber. Tell your favorite leader to start one channel so we can go subscribe. Because they're no different from YouTubers. YouTubers talk about issues, them talk about issues. YouTubers not actually change the laws and make nothing happen. Right? In the legislation, they not change nothing and make nothing legislation. Until me see things done, I don't want the man tell me about the leader and tell me about them. Well, me like him. Why? Because him say, please remove yourself from my inbox. You're wasting my time. I don't want you when the man say. YouTubers and radio personalities and TV hosts and then people they say politicians do. And if them can't do, they need to do away with the power they have. Go look at next work somewhere else. Stop waste people time. Complete joke. I would rather a leader tell me say I tried this policy and it don't work than a man stand up there and tell me the obvious. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, go life. Culture squad, stay circling. Bless.